is a small exercise based on the three words which often create confusion. So here you can read it. Once I called all my loved ones and conveyed that one should do one's duty on time. Here you can see three ones all together. They are written in different way, but they are pronounced in the same way. But they all have different meaning and they have different uses. And here the way they are used is completely incorrect. So they are not used correctly in these sentences. So which ones will be used where? And what is the correct use? I'll explain each and everything in this video today with examples. So today's video is about ones versus ones versus ones. So there are three ones and you will learn how to use them. So I'm Dr. Anshul. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. Let's get started. Just a small reminder, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it by pressing the bell icon. So here you can see one is written with apostrophe, then S is there. What's the meaning? It is a possessive determiner that is used before a noun. Okay, so it is a possessive determiner for one. For one, we use ones. Just like we have other possessive determiner too, his, theirs, etc. For example, one's health is much more important than having lots of money. So here one's is the possessive determiner for one. Okay, so one's health is much more important. So health of one person. That's why we are using ones. So it is showing possession. Now ones is used in one more way. That is once, that means one apostrophe s is also a contraction of one is. Okay, just like we write its. So this is contraction form of it is. In the same way, once, that is one apostrophe s, this is contraction form for one is. Okay, so and it requires an apostrophe, obviously, that here apostrophe s represents is. So one apostrophe s, that means one is. So it is a contraction of one is. For example, no one's listening, but you will pronounce it like once only. Okay, so no one's listening, that means no one is listening. You got it? Now the next ones. Here you see we have ones without any apostrophe. So what's that? It is the plural form of the singular word one. Okay, so just like we have plural form for other words like boy, plural is boys. In the same way, we have plural form for one, that is ones. Okay, for example, my trousers are torn, I need some new ones. So here ones is representing the plural form. Okay, so my trousers are torn, I need some new ones. So ones is the plural form. Now the next ones, it is also used in one more way, that is it can be used to mean examples or people. Okay, so it can be used to mean, so there can be people or examples, the meaning for ones. For example, sweet ones or loved ones, as we use ones after such kind of words. Okay, so call all my loved ones, or these are my sweet ones, and these are some nice ones, studious ones, like that. Okay, so here they are just used to denote examples, okay, or people. Now the last ones, this ones, ONCE, it is also pronounced in the same way as we have pronounced the other two ones. So for example, what is the meaning? On one occasion or for one time only. Okay, so that is the meaning of once. For example, he attends my class once a week. That means only for one time. When? In a week. So he attends my class once a week. So this is the example for once. Another example, another meaning, at some time in the past or formerly. Okay, so it also means at some time in the past, and you might have read in various stories once upon a time. Okay, so here is the meaning, that is formerly. Okay, for example, Malik had once been a famous singer. That means he had once been a famous singer at some time in the past. So here were the three ones and their various meanings and various ways to use. I hope you have understood. As you have learned about all three ones now, I hope you are able to place them correctly in the exercise which I showed you in the beginning. So I'll show you with the correct ones at the correct place. So just see. Here it will be once. I called all my loved ones. So this once is used to show some time. I called all my loved ones is used as plural and convey that one should do one's duty on time. So this is the possessive determiner for this one. Okay, so I hope you have understood to use all three ones at the correct place. Thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, then please press like and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet by pressing the bell icon. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.